Minexa is designed for both worlds, a no-code interface for analysts, and a full API for engineers building large-scale systems. This makes scraping investment data fast and simple. Head to the site you want. Minexa handles pages that load content dynamically, including infinite scroll, load more buttons, and delayed rendering. Open the extension. Minexa works directly on dynamic, fully loaded pages in your browser. Hit the button. Minexa separates main results from surrounding page elements so it can analyze the page and detect the investment data list. Every page will be scraped. Minexa detected the navigation pattern and applies it automatically on every run. Choose List Only for faster scraping and lower credit usage, or Detail pages when you need the full content sitting behind each row. Most pages work with Continue. Choose Advanced mode only when results appear after actions like selecting filters, expanding sections, or dismissing prompts. Confirm the highlighted section. This is all Minexa needs to build a reusable scraper quickly and accurately. All data is structured and ready, including nested values and hidden attributes. You can select your fields like IPO dates, company names, and pricing details. Click API Request to copy working Python code. Just add your URLs and run it straight away to start extracting this data. Ready for any scale. Click Complete Configuration and use this scraper for a single export or millions of pages. Full dataset coverage is built in. The scraper will follow every page of results without any extra steps. Click to launch your scraping job. Scheduling is optional, but useful if this is data you want refreshed regularly. Hit Run, and Minexa processes all URLs in one job, including multi-page navigation and optional detail page following, if enabled. Every column you see here is tied to a fixed point on the page, unlike AI-based scrapers that guess where data lives. Similar-looking values like prices, dates, or titles never get confused, even across thousands of rows. For example, IPO dates, filing numbers, company names, and offer prices are precisely extracted and perfectly aligned for analysis. Export the dataset. Running the scraper again later produces a fresh file with the exact same structure. The same scraper works from a single page to millions, no logic changes, no rebuilding, just consistent data at any scale.